beside me in the shadows. Didn't whisper what you couldn't keep. You stood beside me in the daylight, where promises don't fall asleep. 也没有让我躲藏 No trembling hands, no stolen hours, no running from the morning sun. You spoke my name in open air, like loving me wasn't undone. And I didn't have to wonder if I was too much to stay. You didn't ask me to disappear, you just made room in your way. 你给我空间，让我尝味自己。You gave me space to become myself. You love me out loud, not hidden, not half. Not only when it was easy or safe from the past. You held my heart steady. Now I'm not proud. You didn't burn like a fire. You built something sound. 不是